Bootstrap can be used to style images. We can create rounded corners, circular shapes, and even thumbnails. To add rounded corners, we simply need to add the image rounded class to the image element. On the left-hand side here, you can see that we have an image element inside of our container. The image element contains a source, width, and height. We'll go ahead and add a class to this image. Image-rounded. Now I've saved the file, and before I refresh the browser, just look at the edges of the image. You'll notice right now they're perfectly straight. Now if I refresh, you'll notice that the corners have now rounded. We can also shape the image into a circle using the image circle class. So just save the file and refresh, and you can see it takes on a circular shape. The image thumbnail class, what this does is it adds a light, thin border around the image, and the border, its corners are also slightly rounded. So it just gives it that thumbnail appearance. You can make any image responsive by adding the image responsive class. But what I'll do, just to show you how this works, is I'll remove the class altogether for now, and I'll refresh the page. Watch what happens as we scale this browser window smaller and smaller. You'll see that the image is not responsive, meaning it's staying the same size as we're reducing the size of the viewport. We can make the image responsive by just adding the image responsive class. And now when we resize the browser window, you can see that it scales with the viewport.